A short video recently appeared online, and it's causing a lot of excitement and questions about Samsung's new Galaxy Z Fold 7, with Samsung's big Unpacked event just around the corner, where we expect to see the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, Z Flip 7 FE, Galaxy Watch 8 series, and more. This new video might be showing us our very first look at the Fold 7, or maybe it isn't. The video is only 19 seconds long and was shared by a well-known leaker named at Universes on X, which used to be called Twitter. In the video, we see a foldable phone being tested. They're checking how fast it works, how quickly apps open, and how smoothly the screen responds. From the way the phone looks and performs, it could be the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, but there's one thing in the video that has people confused. Earlier reports said Samsung was going to remove the under-display camera (UDC) from the inside screen of the Fold 7. Many users didn't like the quality of the UDC on the Fold 6. People were hoping Samsung would bring back a regular punch-hole camera for better selfies and video calls. But in the video clip, there's no sign of a punch-hole camera on the inside screen. Now, this leaves us with three possible explanations. First, maybe those earlier rumors were wrong, and Samsung decided to keep the under-display camera on the Fold 7 after all. Second, maybe the punch-hole camera is there, but the video is too blurry, or the angle doesn't show it clearly. And third, maybe the phone in the video isn't the Fold 7 at all. It could be the Fold 6 being used again for testing or just to tease people. To make things even more confusing, the person who posted the video added a caption saying, "Goodbye, Fold 6, hello Fold 7, this could mean a few different things." It might be a simple post saying they're moving on from their Fold 6, or it might be a hint that the video shows the new Fold 7. But if it's just about saying goodbye to the Fold 6, why post a video showing speed tests and app performance? It's a little strange. For now, nobody knows the full truth. But the video does give us a few clues. If this is really the Galaxy Z Fold 7, then it should have the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's the same chip found in Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. This would mean faster performance, better battery life, and smarter AI features. As for the display, the Fold 7's inside screen is rumored to be 8.2 inches, using Samsung's dynamic AMOLED technology. It might have a resolution of 2160 by 1856 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smooth and colorful. The outside, or cover screen, is expected to be 6.5 inches with a resolution of 2376 by 968 pixels, and it should also have a 120 Hz refresh rate. This will make the Fold 7 easier to use when it's closed, like a regular phone. When it comes to memory and storage, leaks say the Fold 7 will have 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. That means it should run apps quickly and have plenty of space. For photos, videos, and games, the camera is also expected to get a big upgrade. Some leaks suggest a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, plus a 12-megapixel telephoto lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for zoom. These improvements could help the Fold 7 match the camera quality of Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. The battery is expected to stay the same at 4000 mAh, like the Fold 6, but with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and better software, the battery life should improve. The biggest question is still this: is the phone in the video really the Fold 7? Right now, nobody can say for sure. The missing punch-hole camera doesn't match the recent rumors, so either Samsung made a last-minute change, or we've just been looking at the Fold 6 this whole time. Luckily, we won't have to wait much longer. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is just 2 days away, and we'll finally get the answers we've been waiting for. If the Fold 7 really brings these upgrades, especially the new cameras, it could be a big step forward for foldable phones. So, what do you think? Is this the Galaxy Z Fold 7, or is it still the Fold 6? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for the official launch.